Ho ho ho! Welcome to the 10th day of our 12 Tools of Christmas series. And today we're going to be talking about Dashlane. Dashlane, LastPass, any password manager out there, I highly recommend in today of this world of data breaches happening left, right and center. Why don't you check this one out and see if it will work for you?
Dashlane is a password manager with additional room for various IDs, credit cards and other payment methods, receipts and notes. It comes with an autofill feature for online forms, so instead of filling out everything bit by bit, it allows you to click the Dashlane button and it fills in your usual details. And because Dashlane syncs across all our devices, it enables us to be able to create an account on one computer and then use it on another if we so choose.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you use that tool, make sure you comment below and let us know how you go with it. So make sure you check out Video Confidence Coach on all of your social medias and all of the Facebooks and all of the places that we are. And if you have any questions, you can just DM, email us and all that cool stuff. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned for tomorrow for another thing.